So my next question, Andrea, is, the pivotal moments that we all have in our life and in our business. Can you tell us about a possible pivotal moment that you had that changed the trajectory of your business and, your goals and what you plan for the future?
Yes, the pivotal moment. I think everybody has one of those, which is kind of a good thing. But I did work in the medical field prior to this, and the way that they ran the office wasn't great, in my opinion. So I wanted to create a business that did have structure, that did have love, that did have a rhyme and a reason, and ultimately made customers rather than patients happy. And in doing so, that world kind of collided with the pain points of everybody, not hearing back from their contractors or their handyman. My website is Green Street Building and Design and Handyman Services. And the handyman service is a small piece of it. I have two different schedules, and that is something for people who just want small things to happen, like change of window treatments, change locks, have a picture hung, paint a really, really small piece of trim, whatever it may be.